Three friends start a business. At the end of the year, profit is 30,000 rupees. Now tell me, who should get how much? Equal or based on investment or based on effort? There is no right answer unless it was decided before, and that is exactly what partnership is. In this video, I'll make this chapter so simple that you won't need to memorize anything. Definition: partnership is equals to agreement plus business plus profit sharing plus trust. Forget the textbook definition for a moment. Partnership is simply this: two or more people come together, agree to run a business, and share profits. But there is one hidden word, that is trust, because one partner can take decision on behalf of all. This is called mutual agency, and this is the heart of partnership. Features: minimum two people, agreement, profit sharing ratio, rules, capital contribution, profit, how much profit each will get, mutual agency, each partner can act on behalf of the business and other partners. Example: your partner buys goods you don't know. Still, you are responsible. One partner's action is equals to everyone's responsibility. Unlimited liability. Unlimited liability. If the business fails, your personal money is at risk, your savings, your assets. That's why partnership is powerful, but also risky. Mutual agency. If your partner signs a deal, you are also responsible. So, choosing a partner is more important than starting the business. Partnership deed. Imagine starting a business without agreement, no clarity on profit, no clarity on salary. What will happen? Confusion, arguments, breakdown. That's why we create a partnership deed. It clearly defines who gets what. Clear agreement prevents future fights. If no deed, if no agreement, profit is equal, no salary, no interest. Now imagine there is no agreement, then what? Law steps in. Equal profit, salary is not allowed, interest on capital is not allowed. When you don't decide, law decides for you. Format of profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account: debit side particulars amount, credit side particulars and amount. Debit side profit and loss if there is loss, and credit side profit and loss if there is profit. Debit side interest on capital, salary to partners, commission to the partner, and credit side interest on drawings. And then partners capital, debit side or credit side. Left side means what business gives to partners: interest on capital, reward for investment, salary, reward for work, commission, extra reward. These reduces profits available. And right side means what business has, that is net profit, interest on drawings. Interest on drawing increases profit. After all this, whatever is left is divided in profit sharing ratio. Partners capital account format. Partners capital account: debit side date particulars, journal folio amount, credit side date particulars, journal folio and amount. Balance brought down in case of debit closing balance, and for credit, balance brought down if there is credit opening balance. And debit side drawings, interest on drawings, profit and loss account for share of loss. And credit side, bank fresh capital introduced, salaries, interest on capital, profit and loss appropriation. And then there is balance carried forward. Capital account shows how much each partner has in the business. Left side means money going out of partner's account. Drawings, partner takes money, interest on drawings, penalty, share of loss, reduces capital. Anything that reduces partner's balance comes here. And right side means money coming into partner's account. that is capital introduced, fresh investment, salary, income for partner, interest on capital, that is reward, and share of profit, that is final earnings. Anything that increases partner's balance comes here. So, today we covered the basics of partnership. In the upcoming videos, we will solve the problems. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Accountant's Desk. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.